A derecho is a widespread, straight-line windstorm that is associated with a fast-moving group of severe thunderstorms. They produce winds of 60 to 100 miles per hour that are strong enough to take down trees and power lines. Derechos are straight-line winds, in contrast to circular winds of a tornado, thus the name derecho, which means straight ahead in Spanish. Derechos can cause hurricane-force winds, tornadoes, heavy rains, and flash floods. To classify as a derecho, the storm must produce winds greater than 58 miles per hour over a path at least 280 miles or 400 kilometers long. They are dangerous because the damaging winds can last a long time and can cover such a large area. Derechos are members of a group weather phenomena called mesoscale convective system, which are large weather systems comprised of a number of individual thunderstorms. Typically, a cluster of storms develop during the late spring and summer. These cluster of storms can eventually evolve into a single storm. If you have ever felt a cold wind prior to a thunderstorm approaching, this is the feeling of outflow wind from the storm. In other words, a rain-cooled downdrift occurs in the thunderstorm and hits the Earth's surface and spreads horizontally and pushes outward. The cool, dense air spreads out, and the warm air mass ahead of the system typically moves along the leading edge of the outflow as an updraft. The winds in the troposphere typically become relatively strong and unidirectional. Derechos are squall lines that are bow or spear-headed shape on the weather report, and thus are called bow echoes. Squall lines typically bow out due to the formation of mesoscale high-pressure system, which forms within the stratiform rain area behind the initial line.